In this video, you learn how to turn dark mode on or off in Windows 11. When you are on the desktop, click the right mouse button and select Personalize. Then click on Colors. And here you see it's currently set to dark mode. So all menus are dark. Also, the one that pops up here. Now let's switch it to light mode. And you see everything is light. Let's switch to custom now. And set default Windows mode to dark. The menu that pops up here is dark, while the rest is light. Change the app mode to dark. And you'll see the personalization menu will be dark again. Both menus are dark now. Change default Windows mode to light, and the menu that pops up is light, while the personalization menu is still dark. Let's change it back to full dark mode. For more interesting how-to videos, you can watch the other videos of this channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.